How to set up shipping on Shopify for Printful. Watch until the end of this video to know how. First is connect Printful to Shopify. If you haven't already, install the Printful app on your Shopify store and connect it to your Printful account. As you can see here, this is how it should look like once you have successfully connected your Printful to Shopify. It should be visible under Apps tab. Moving forward to the main topic, here's how you set up shipping. Set up products. Create or sync products from Printful to your Shopify store. These are the products you'll be selling, such as t-shirts, mugs, and more. Configure shipping settings in Printful. In your Printful dashboard, go to Settings, Shipping, then set up your shipping preferences, including shipping rates, carrier options, and shipping zones. Set up shipping zones in Shopify. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Create shipping zones based on geographic regions where you will be shipping products. Configure shipping rates in Shopify. Within each shipping zone, set up shipping rates based on factors like weight, price, or flat rates. Within each shipping zone, you can use the rates provided by Printful as a reference. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.